क्या सुशांत वाकई पेरिस में अपने रूम में ही बैठे रहे या फिर सच्चाई कुछ और है? If he remained in the room as Rhea has alleged, why are fans sharing pictures they clicked with the star in Paris at the time Rhea alleges he was too disturbed to leave the room? Rhea, who is facing 3 different authorities, the CBI, the Enforcement Directorate and Narcotics Control Bureau, had gone on television and spoken to esteemed journalists to explain her side of the story and defend her relationship with the late actor. In the course of the first interview, Rhea had alleged that Sushant was disturbed by the ambience of the hotel they had chosen in Italy, and as a result, he was disturbed even when they reached Paris. She had said that वो पेरिस में 3 दिन तक अपने रूम से नहीं निकले और उनकी बिगड़ती तबीयत की वजह से they had to cut short their trip and return to Mumbai. The storm of conspiracies keeps swirling around Sushant Singh Rajput's case, and every time we feel that maybe we are closer to the truth, a new allegation or accusation emerges that completely undermines the facts presented so far. Rhea Chakraborty has given 2 interviews in her defense, and she had alleged in her interview that Sushant's health had deteriorated when they were in Europe, and when they reached Paris, he refused to step out of the room. But now even this statement is being viewed with suspicion. Lekin Sushant's fans from around the world have now shared pictures where they claimed they met the actor while he was in Paris, and have also shared pictures they took with the actor during his visit to Paris. Immediately after Rhea's interview, they had also shared videos that Sushant had shared on his timeline where he seems to be enjoying himself at Disneyland in Paris, and alleged that Rhea was not speaking the truth. Now more fans have spoken up and shared pictures where they claim they spotted Sushant in Paris and took pictures with him at least in 2 different locations. One fan shared that she had met Sushant and shared pictures she and her family took with Sushant via a celebrity photographer in Mumbai. She wrote in her note, "I would like to share that I and my family met Sushant at Paris during his Europe trip in October 2019. And while our interaction was brief, he was very jovial and full of life. I will continue to refuse to believe that there was anything wrong with him. If anything, his energy and vibrance rubbed off on us." Another fan also shared a selfie dating back to 7th October 2019 when she met the actor in Paris. Sushant's niece Malika Singh has now criticized those showing support to Rhea given these new facts have come to light. Actor Lakshmi Manchu had shared a post where she spoke about the pain Rhea and her family must be going through and called their treatment by the media and others unfair. Taapsee Pannu had shared Lakshmi's post calling for restraint and not determining someone's guilt before the official authorities finish their investigation. Malika shared a post on social media where she wrote, "I am surprised that right now some people are suddenly remembering what pain of a family and standing up for a colleague means. It is unfortunate that the media and netizens have been unable to let the law take its course. And while the intention of ensuring justice for Sushant may be noble, the trial by media has only cast continuing doubts on the case."